So I'm turning 44 this year, and for me it's very important to live a very healthy lifestyle, and I've been trying to do that the last 10 years more or less. So I'll show you what I eat for breakfast almost every day, and it may help you to look young, like this filter helps me. I always eat oats in the morning, around 30 to 50 grams. 50 keep me full and not hungry. 52. It gives me full and with a lot of energy because, for example, right now I'm getting ready or soon getting ready to go to school, and it's important for me not to feel hungry while I'm in lecture. It's only 3 hours, but still, you know. So I'm gonna apply some water, about a cup, and then a little bit of well, not that much cinnamon, but yeah, you decide how much. And then a little bit of salt, and then here you can apply either some chia seeds, or you can blend your protein powder if you want, because I really have to have a scoop of protein powder, but I will do it after I cooked it in the microwave because I like it that way better. We're gonna put it in the microwave for a minute and a half. And then I'm going to apply my protein powder, about a scoop. And this will be about 28 grams. You can put 30, you can put 25, you can put 20, you decide. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of skyr, and you can also use Greek yogurt if you want. I like to use this one. I usually use 150 to 200 grams just because I like my oats creamy. And then I'm just gonna use a banana to top it a little bit my oats. You can use an apple, or you can use some blueberries if you want to, because a banana is gonna add a little bit more calories, but I just like bananas. I can't live without bananas. This is a little bit green, but yeah. So this is my everyday breakfast. I hope you like it. It's high in protein, and it doesn't have so many calories, and it will keep you full for many hours. I hope you like it.